Hello and welcome back to the Quarantine Kitchen. I have noticed recently that there are a lot of banana bread videos out there right now. I wanted to add my own little twist to it. We are going to make corn banana bread muffins. I have this cornbread mix from Lunds and Byerly. Okay. This is about 18 ounces, so a little bit more than 2 cups. Oh, dusty. I'm going to take this bowl, this little bowl, and take my bananas. So then just mash them up. We're gonna mix our butter in there. I'm just doing like a stick of butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of corn, canned corn. You can use frozen corn instead. We're just gonna add like a little touch of corn in there. You may remember from an earlier episode of Quarantine Kitchen, I froze these eggs. So I've got these eggs that I had frozen and put into film canisters. It's about equivalent of about 3 eggs. I'm just gonna take like a handful of walnuts. Just kind of crush them in there. This kind of helps relieve some anxiety perhaps to crush these. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water and a little bit of this mixture. Okay, and just kind of do it a little bit at a time. A bit more water. So I'm continuing my philosophy of not measuring stuff. And of course, you do not want to mix it too much. Okay, the experimentation continues while we make streusel. Okay, I think this is gonna work. I'm not positive. So I'm just gonna turn on my oven or my stove thing. And I got like half a stick of butter. Okay. And I'm gonna throw in some honey. And we've got some sugar too. And a little bit of flour. And some walnuts. More walnuts. Grind it up. Okay, while we're waiting for that to melt, we are going to butter the dish. Oops. It's good to hold it with the wrapper. We will start putting our main mixture in the muffin tin. Put a little bit of the streusel on each one. We've got this other pan. So then put this in the oven. So we're going to bake this for 30 minutes and then we're going to take it out and we're going to put tin foil on it and then bake it for 30 minutes more. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and we're going to just see how they're doing. We're going to put tin foil on this. We still want them to cook a little bit longer. Let's put these back in. So now we'll take it out. Voila! And we will just wait for 10 minutes. And now it's time to take it out. Not bad. Just gonna cut it in half so you can see. Oh, I'm gonna have a little bit of milk. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you next time at the Quarantine Kitchen.